So here we are with an empty bedroom. Never thought we'd get here, but here we are. So we've got to start thinking about a bed. Do you remember what the bed was like? See if I've got a video of it here. Yeah, this is when the survey was being done. But we was in that for 9 days and it was awful. When I actually measured it and it was 4 foot, so it was what they call a small double. It was climbing over each other in the night to go to the bathroom. I didn't like it at all. We have a king size bed at home, so going from a king size to a small double was quite a shock. I knew we've been on higher boats, so I know what they feel like. However, we wanted a double, a 4'6" standard double, and there is not much room. There is not much room. A 4'6" storage bed that we're able to move and get to the step or the water pump if we needed to. Not only that, it's got to be transported here, so it's got to be in pieces to be able to fit in a car. It's also got to fit through the doors of the Narrowboat, obviously, and it's got to be able to fit in this room. I constructed the bed at home, just some ideas I had in my head. Didn't really have any plans as such, but yeah, cut up some bits of wood and start getting an idea going. And once I kind of had a feel for what I was doing, kind of committed to it then and started to build it properly. It's all been PVA and water 50-50 mix twice. It's had 2 coats of that entirely just to seal it, stop it soaking up all the paint, and if there's ever any leak, it'll stop it soaking up too much water. You see I'm just PVA in here, but the house was a construction zone for a while. There's parts of beds and shelves and cabinets all over the place. It's been awful. But yeah, so we've got to bring it all down now in pieces and get it assembled. These stairs here, I call it Heartbreak Hill. Everything that comes onto the Narrowboat and goes off again has to go up and down these stairs. The car parks at the top. Well, it don't look much, mate, but I tell you, once you're doing it 6 or 8 times a day, fully loaded, it ain't fun. We've got the base on. I thought I might need an actual stand just to prop it up a little bit, but yeah, I managed to turn it on its side with no problem really. Right, so the base, as you can see, it's one big piece there, 2 here, 2 side ones, and we've got the cutout for the step and the water pump. So yeah, I measured them properly because that's the only thing that I didn't test fit at home was the base pieces. And they all fit very nicely. Have a little bit of additional support here, to be honest. Might just put a spar in there. But yeah, all the base, it's all been recessed in. It's got about 2 or 3 mil, so that when we move in the bed, it's not going to scratch the floor. It probably wouldn't anyway. I'll put these vinyl feet on as well, just to help slide it. But when you're moving it for real, it's the wheels. So I'll show you how the wheels work. When can we get through? Try and get through the step hole. Oh my god. Here's the wheels. Ordinarily they are up and they don't touch the floor at all, but you simply press that lever down and it's an over centre mechanism and it'll put the wheels down. They were 30 quid off of Amazon. Now then, it is a futon bed. Or as I discovered, they're called futon beds. I've always called them a lift-up bed, but yeah, I've got the hydraulic lift-ups on here. Now I thought, mistakenly, pay a little bit more, we will get better quality, some good fitting instructions, some technical support if you needed it or something like that. So I paid 60 quid for these from B&Q. hate going there normally. It turns out that B&Q now, they're simply a drop shipper, so I won't be shopping there anymore because yeah, they're not available in store. So you order them on the website, and then when they arrived, covered in Chinese writing, no instructions, and the gas rams were even the wrong size, only lifted the bed up a foot. So I had to pay out again and get longer gas rams. Again, Amazon to the rescue. So yeah, B&Q, fuck you. All this work and effort and money, is it going to work? So the idea being that we drop the casters, the bed can move down to where the edge of the wardrobe and slide over to one side, which gives us a walkway through to be able to use the step. So we've already made one discovery a few weeks ago. I brought one of the panels down, the side panels, just to try it, and I had them up, the wheels, the front wheels, up in the far corner here, and it's so narrow down the side I could not reach them, not comfortably anyway. And it's not just going to be me that's moving the bed, the wife's going to be moving it, and anyone else actually. So right, so you'll see that we've got a routed handhold just here, one there as well. So you can grab that from the outside, pull that and push the wheel, and you double the force basically, because half of your effort is lifting it from the handhold and half of it is pushing down. So the wheels down are easy enough, even when it's the top's on. Hopefully when the mattress is on and everything, you still got to do it. So yeah, what's going to happen with the bed with the mattress on it? Well, it's the only thing that I don't know yet, and I can't just put it on just yet because I've got a wardrobe to build, and invariably it's going to require laying down to assemble it. So my plan is to assemble it on the bed and then just tip it up. So yeah, wardrobe, right, let's get that one loaded from the car. Right, there we go. One wardrobe. Okay, so it's only a cheap one. I think it was £70, but we've got this one specifically because it is a 55 centimetre deep. That means that on this area here, look at that, brand new and all that. Look at that, terrible. Yeah, so we're probably going to paint it, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, we're going to have a 12 mil plywood on there, and also lined here. This is going to be a little cupboard with the gulper pump just coming up to about there, with some hidden Blum hinges. It will give me practice ready for the cupboard doors in the kitchen. And then up above it, we're going to have little cupboard holes that just stick stuff in, and a little bit of space on top as well. So yeah, that's all right, that's going to work, I think. Right, mattress. Okay, mattress on, let's have a go. So get the grab handle under there. Oh yeah. All right, now then, wheels. It's okay. Okay. Put some wires. Just have to trim this a little bit here. The paddle bit on my drill. Just so that the wheel can swing all the way around. I'll tidy that up later on, but it needs to 360-degree rotation, and the bottom board was stopping it, so I've just trimmed that a little bit. Right. step. There we go. It's a little bit of a shuffle, but let's have a look how much room we've got there now. So this was the aim. I'll walk way down here and use the step. Ah, yes. Make sure it goes back okay. Still got this cable here, it's making things awkward. Yeah. Right back. That up a bit, I think. So you can see the step. It's centred there, flat against the wall. Drop the wheels. There we go. This side. There we go. How's that? Multi-purpose narrowboat bed. Yeah, it's a little bit awkward, but you're not doing it every day. But if ever we want to go out there and use that step, we can do. Around that, we're doing some oak this weekend. This is why we got the bed ready. I'm going away for the weekend. It's Friday now. I'm going back for the wife and the dog shortly. And we're just going down the cut a few miles, a few drinks, bit of telly, get a little bit of work done. So yeah, I've got solar panels to mount and I've got some oak trimming. So yeah, next video will be a weekend away. See you later.